ka-chums! Welcome to my YouTube channel, and for today's video mga ka-chums, I am again your teacher, Rossy. So nakita niyo naman mga ka-chums, sa title ng video natin, bibigyan ko kayo ng tip at technique kung paano hanapin ang equation of a line given 2 points mga ka-chums na kaya niyong sagutan maybe in less than 30 seconds, 40 seconds, or even in 10 seconds. So ngayon, huwag na natin patagalin pa mga ka-chums, intro muna tayo. Mga ka-chums, yung shortcut, yung tip at yung technique na ibibigay ko sa inyo, ay ipakita muna natin kung paano nga ba hanapin ang equation of a line given 2 points using traditional method. So, isang concept mga ka-chums na ginagamit natin ay yung slope. Ano nga ba yung slope natin? That is the ratio of vertical change o yung tinatawag nating rise as compared to the horizontal change o yung tinatawag nating run. So, yung ibang books, dinidefine nila ang slope as the measure of the steepness of a line. So ngayon, ano nga ba yung formula na ginagamit natin para hanapin natin ang slope? So alam natin, ang slope, it is denoted by m, at yung formula ay m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, or pwede rin namang y sub 1 minus y sub 2 over x sub 1 minus x sub 2. So, ipakita natin mga ka-chums yung conventional algorithm kung paano hanapin yung equation of a line para mas ma-appreciate ninyo mga ka-chums yung shortcut na ituturo ko. So, let's have our example number 1. Find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form passing through the points 7, 4, and 5, 1. So, ngayon, paano nga ba? What is the first step na ginagawa pag ginagamit natin ang conventional algorithm? So, una, kailangan natin hanapin yung slope. So, sabi daw, nagpa-pass through daw yung line sa 7, 4, sa 7, 4, and 5, 1. So, alam natin na yung formula natin sa paghahanap natin ng slope ay y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, kailangan lang natin i-identify ano yung x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So, alam natin that this is your x sub 1, y sub 1, this is your x sub 2, and this is your y sub 2. Ngayon, ano yung y sub 2 natin? 1. Minus yung y sub 1, 4. Your x sub 2, 5, and then your x sub 1 is 7. So again, ano yung y sub 2? 1. Ano yung y sub 1? 4. Ano yung x sub 2? 5. At ano yung x sub 1? That's 7. So let us get the difference. So 1 minus 4, that's negative 3. Then 5 minus 7 is negative 2. So alam natin, negative divided by negative, kaya naman ang sagot natin ay positive. So, ibig sabihin, yung slope natin ay 3 over 2. Pero slope pa lang yan. Pinapahanap sa atin yung equation of a line in slope-intercept form. So, ano nga yung slope-intercept form natin? Yan ay y equals mx plus b. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan pa natin mahanap yung value ng b natin o yung tinatawag nating constant. So, ngayon, ibig sabihin, kailangan natin i-substitute yung value ng y, yung value ng m, at yung value ng x. Ngayon, ang tanong, ano yung y nyo, ano yung x nyo? You have the freedom na mamili kung itong first point ba na to, yung gagamitin ko, o yung second point. So, kahit ano dun sa 2 points na given ang gamitin nyo, you will arrive at the same answer. So, halimbawa, ang ginamit na lang natin ay yung second point natin. So, yung second point natin, yung y natin ay 1 equals, ano yung m natin? That's 3 over 2. Then, ano yung x natin? That's 5 plus b. So, you bring down 1, then ito, i-multiply natin to, 3 times 5, that's 15. Then just copy the denominator and then plus b. So we have to apply addition property of equality. Or pwede naman, ilipat na lang natin itong 15 halves sa kabilang side ng equation natin. So pag nilipat natin to, positive to, pag nilipat natin siya, magiging negative na siya. So 15 over 2 equals b. So ngayon, baliktarin lang natin itong dalawang to, then we get the LCD. So 1 times 2, 2, minus 15, ilagay ko muna, 1 times 2, you have 2, and then just copy yung minus 15 doon. Then you simplify the numerator. 2 minus 15, you have negative 13 over 2. So, ang b natin ay negative 13 halves. So, ibig sabihin ng mga ka-chums, pwede na natin mahanap yung equation of a line natin in slope-intercept form. So, ito yung slope-intercept form natin. So, y equals, ano yung m natin? That's 3 over 2x. And then, ano yung b natin? That's negative 13 halves. So, ibig sabihin, ito na yung equation of a line natin sa example number 1 using conventional algorithm. Pero, papaano nyo hahanapin yung equation of a line doon sa technique na ituturo ko sa inyo. So, ito na yun mga ka-chums. So, ngayon mga ka-chums, ito na yung tip o yung technique na ibibigay ko sa inyo kung papaano hanapin yung equation of a line in slope-intercept form na kayang-kaya nyo gawin in less than 30 seconds. So, given kayo ng 7, 4 at 5, 1. So, ang kailangan nyo nang gawin mga ka-chums is to get the difference. So, tingnan niyo yung process na gagawin ko. 7 minus 5, 2. Then, lalagyan nyo lang siya ng y. Tapos, dito naman, 4 minus 1, 3. Then, lalagyan nyo lang siya ng x. And then, para malaman mo kung ano yung number na ilalagay mo dito, you have to get the product, okay, cross product nito, tapos kukunin mo yung difference. So, let's try. 7 times 1, 7. 5 times 4, 20. And then you will get the difference. 7 minus 20, alam natin that's negative 13. So in order for us to have an equation in slope-intercept form, we need to divide both sides of the equation by 2. Kasi yun yung numerical coefficient ng y. So i-divide ko lang ng 2, i-divide ko lang ito ng 2. So 2 divided by 2, that's 1. So ang matitira dito ay y equals 3 over 2x minus 13 over 2. So, nakita ninyo, parehas lang ng sagot. Sino mas madali? So, ngayon mga ka-chums, let's have example number 2. So, ngayon mga ka-chums, let's have our example number 2. So, example number 2 natin is find the equation of a line in slope-intercept form through the points 0, negative 4, and 2, 3. So, ano nga yung 2 points natin? 0, negative 4, and 2, 3. So, isulat ko lang mga ka-chums. So, 0, negative 4, and 2, 3. Yan. So, sulat lang natin as 0, negative 4, and then 2, 3. So, get the difference. 0 minus 2, negative 2. Huwag niyong kalimutan yung y. Negative 4 minus 3, negative 7. Huwag kakalimutan yung x. And then, para ma-identify natin yung number dito, cross product tayo and then get the difference. 0 times 3, alam natin the answer is 0. Negative 4 times 2, negative 8. So, 0 minus negative 8, the answer is positive 8. So, ayun, we have to divide both sides of the equation by negative 2. Bakit siya negative 2? Kasi titingnan nyo lang kung ano yung numerical coefficient ng y. So, we have to divide both sides by negative 2. So, negative 2 divided by negative 2, that's 1. Times y, y na to. Or in short, makakancel na lang to kasi the answer is 1. Negative 7 divided by negative 2, that's positive 7 over 2x. Then 8 divided by negative 2, the answer is negative 4. Therefore, the equation of a line in slope-intercept form is y equals 7 over 2x minus mga ka-chums, let's have our example number 3. So ngayon, ang example number 3 naman natin, find the equation of the line in slope-intercept form passing through the points 4, 9, and 1, 2. So, ibig sabihin, yung third example natin, yung points na given ay 4, 9, and 1, 2. So, isulat lang natin siya as this, 4, 9, 1, 2. And then we get the difference. So, 4 minus 1, 3. Don't forget y. Then 9 minus 2, 7. Don't forget x. Then after that, get the cross product, tapos get the difference. 4 times 2, 8. 1 times 9, 9. And what is 8 minus 9? The answer is negative 1. So again, you have to divide both sides of the equation by the numerical coefficient of y. Ano yung katabi ng y? 3. So, ibig sabihin, doon ko i-divide ang both sides of the equation by 3. So, 3 divided by 3, alam natin that's 1. Ang matitira na lang sa atin ay y. Then, ito, hindi na natin ito pwedeng masimplify. So, 7 over 3x minus 1 over 3. Therefore, this is the equation of the line. So, diba, sobrang dali lang mga ka-chums. So, ngayon mga ka-chums, let's have our last example. So, halimbawa, pinahanap sa atin yung equation of a line in slope-intercept form passing through the points 8, 5, and negative 1, negative 2. So, ano yung points na given sa example number 4 natin? 8, 5, and negative 1, negative 2. So, isulat ko lang siya. 8, 5, negative 1, negative 2. So, you get the difference, okay? So, 8 minus negative 1, 8 minus negative 1, so magiging plus na siya. 8 minus negative 1, the answer would become 9. Then, 5 minus negative 2, the answer is 7. So, huwag niyo kakalimutan yung y natin dito, at huwag niyo din kakalimutan yung x natin dyan. Okay? So, medyo nagkalayo siya. Ayusin na lang natin mamaya. Then, cross product, get the difference. 8 times negative 2, negative 16. Negative 1 times 5, negative 5. So, negative 16 minus negative 5, the answer is negative 11. So, ngayon, saan natin i-divide yung both sides of the equation natin? Ano yung number na katabi ng y? 9. So, ibig sabihin, you have to divide both sides by 9. Okay? So, 9 divided by 9, 1. So, isulat mo lang siya as y. Then, just copy this. 7 over 9x, and then minus 11 over 9. So, this is the equation of a line. So, diba, sobrang dali lang mga ka-chums. So, ngayon mga ka-chums, dyan na nagtatapos yung video natin at yung tip na binigay ko sa inyo. And hopefully mga ka-chums, natuto kayo at mas na-appreciate nyo na ganun lang para kadali hanapin yung equation of a line given 2 points. So, ngayon, kung may natutunan ka, mga ka-chums, huwag nyo naman kalimutan, bigyan ako ng isang like, share, of course, sa mga friends, classmates nyo, relatives nyo, at of course, wag yung kakalimutan mag-subscribe, mga ka-chums, sa channel ko. Okay? So, libre yan, mga ka-chums, subscribe ka na. And of course, to hit that notification bell icon for more updates and for more upcoming videos. So, kung may naiisip ka, mga ka-chums, na topic na gusto nyo i-discuss ko, i-comment nyo lang. At kung gusto nyo sa next video ko, i-shoutout ko kayo, just type #Rossy, pa-shoutout naman. So, ayun mga ka-chums, hanggang dito na lang tayo. I am your teacher, Rossy, and I am your champion made in math and life. And hopefully, nasabi mo sa sarili mo, I made it.